the channel. I'm here with Fiona, who's one of my class regulars, and we have a nice beginner's Tai Chi session for you today. How long have you come into Tai Chi, Fiona, and what is it that you enjoy about it?
I've been going about 2 years now. I enjoy the way it's improved my balance, my strength, I feel flexibility as well, because stretching, you don't tend to do a lot in everyday life.
Yes.
And also I get that lovely sense of calm when you finish the class, you walk out and just ready to face the world again.
Yeah, it's important, isn't it, to keep like physically active, because it really is good for your mental health, and you feel a lot better because you've done the class, don't you? You know, it has a feel-good factor, doesn't it?
Yes.
So yeah, we've got some beginner Tai Chi movements for you to follow at home today, so let's get started. Okay, start with our warm-up. So we're just going to turn our head to the side, and then back to centre, and the other way. Chin to our chest. So we're trying to stretch out the neck, and release any stress and tension, and looking to the ceiling. And looking forward. Let's do our ear to our shoulder. And roll. Let's do our shoulder rolls. And changing direction. Let's clasp our hands, and then let's do our holding of the heavens. So just feel a nice stretch through the body, and then we release that stretch. And let's do that again. So just lifting high, feel a nice stretch through the body, and release that stretch. And let's do that one more time. One hand all the way up, and we're just going to lift up a little bit, and then just side bend again, just keeping it comfortable wherever feels good for you, and bringing it down. And let's go the other way. So lifting up a little further, stretch high, and all the way over, and bringing it back. And then let's hug ourselves, so round in the back, and then we'll just open out. Open the chest, and again, bringing it down, and opening it out, and one more time, bringing it down, and opening it out. Bringing our hands to our hips. Let's do our hip circles, so round in a circle. And changing direction. And stretch high to the ceiling, so big breath in. Breathing out, relaxing as the hands come down, and again. Lovely. So, starting with our parallel stance, lifting up through the body, keeping everything relaxed at the joints. We're going to start with our knocking on the door. So, just bending our knees and turning from the waist. So, keeping the arms loose and free, and just bending, turning the waist to wherever suits you best. I couldn't get my words out then. We're just going to add a little transfer of weight, so moving the body weight over from one side to the other. And we're going to slow it down a little bit and add our lift the ball across the body. So feeling a nice stretch from high to low, from fingertip all the way down to your toe. It's nice this one. And I'm going to take both hands high and turn and look over the shoulder to the back top corner. So turning and looking to the moon. And again. And one more on each side. And bring it down. Yeah, very nice. Okay, so we're going to do our cloud hands. So taking one hand across the body and we're sliding across. We're going to do our little wave to the corner. Swap in the hands and over to the other side. I like you to visualise pushing yourself through the clouds and focusing on the hands and really trying to feel your flow. So this time we're going to add some footwork. We're going to bring ourselves stepping in as we wave and then taking it across and stepping out in the same direction as we wave. No step this time. And we can go the other way. So stepping in, taking it across and stepping out. Trying to keep the knee bend at the same level, and then it's like we're sliding across, and it kind of helps with the flow. And one more on each side, so stepping in. And finishing with a nice wave. Yeah, very nice, excellent. Okay, we'll move on to some balance work. So let's turn our feet out slightly. We're going to slide across and tap here, empty stance. So making a good solid foundation for our foot and releasing the foot and tapping forwards. So good strong core, pull the belly, but the root is fine. We're going to add our golden rooster arms, so same arm as legs coming forwards and focusing on that striking hand. And again. This time we're going to add a lift, so we're staying here, we're ready for it, we're lifting up and bringing it down. And again. Tapping here, lifting up and down. Like hands and foot are attached with a piece of string, you merge it all together. So keeping everything moving, trying to keep it slow and controlled. Easier said than done. Let's do one more on each side. and bringing it down. Very good, excellent. Let's put our feet together and we'll do our heel raises too. So while he's flying, bringing it up, heel raise and bringing it down. And we'll do it again. So again, nice strong core, pulling belly button through to spine. Lifting up, down. Let's do 2 more. And final one, count to 3 at the top. So 1, 2, 3, and bring it down. Excellent, very nice. Let's just give our arms and legs a little bit of a shake. Okay, we've got an archer draws the bow and shoots the arrow variation. So we're going to step out to the side, bringing the hands in a big circle, and then we're sinking into our ball stance and making our fists. We're going to make our arrow, I'm going to go over to our ball here, and then we're going to go over to the other side, and then step in. So taking it out, nice big step, and lift it up, and then sinking down into that strong position. We make our arrow, and we're over, pointing to the window where we are, and over to the other side, and stepping in. So lots of focus on our shooting hand, feeling strong. And let's do 1 more on each side. And stepping in. We're taking our feet nice and wide, and we're going to gather the wood. So a really big scoop around, side boat horse on side, and a nice transfer of weight. And then we're going to tap here, and then go into our undulating waves, so rocking back and stepping forwards. And then we can go the other way. So, was it this way? I don't know which way I've done. And then we can go forwards, and rock back, and push it forwards. So like we're moving our hands through water, it's that lovely pushing the water away, and then going straight into our undulating waves, following the hands, feeling calm. And and pushing forwards. And final. Let's do our hands hold 2 feet. So bringing our hands up, and taking them around the back. And we want to feel like we're massaging the sides of our back and down the backs of our legs. We're coming into a forwards bend, just to wherever feels good. And we're pushing forwards, lifting high, and relaxing down. And breathe in. right down the midline. Big breath in. And then if we press the hands out, we're going to do that the other way, so bring them up and open them out. And press out. One more time. And let's gather the chi. So big breath in, and breathing out. So really feel relaxed as the hands come down. And start pressing palms up the top. Well done. We covered quite a lot there, didn't we? It was really nice. Yeah, had a little bit of everything. So thanks for joining us. Thanks to Fiona, and we'll see you again next time.